an educational robot that teaches kids how to code. Scout AI has an HD camera. You can see what it sees on your tablet or phone and remotely control it. Snap cool videos and take pictures. But wait, Simpatico's Scout AI is unique. You can program it to be autonomous. Using artificial intelligence and easy drag-and-drop coding interface, you can program it to detect people or objects and follow them. It can detect traffic signs and react to them. The possibilities are endless. Challenge your friends to a battle. Control the robot to find your opponent and defeat them by beaming infrared at them. Use on-screen controllers or motion sensors to control your robot. You can also connect a controller to get an edge on your opponent. Raise or lower the Scout's head to have a better view. Scout is a toy robot that is both fun and educational for kids and adults. It makes kids interested in artificial intelligence, robotics, and STEM fields. Simpatico.
Meet Power Up 4. With 2 motors, 2 new sensors, and a flight computer, it looks bad conditions in the eye and says, bring it on. All you need to do is fold a paper plane, attach the module, and download the app. Now change your name to Maverick, because you're about to go full Top Gun. Power Up 4 is also twice as strong, so you can basically fly anything. Planes made out of cardboard, styrofoam, and light wood. Since there's autopilot, you can even get this lettuce to fly. You will look stupid flying it, but we're not here to judge. We're here to be awesome. How awesome? It has this cool landing gear for takeoff and landing, and these so awesome LED lights for night flight. So if you want to fly through the sky with the most advanced paper airplane ever, or any plane really, get Power Up 4, a plane that's so much ahead of anything we've ever done, we gave it a new number.